Hi, in this video I'm going to run through the initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini. And when you first turn on your device, you'll be confronted with the Samsung Galaxy welcome screen. From here, you can select the main language to be used with the device. Scrolling through the list provides you with all of the system language settings. The option chosen here will be the option used for all of the menus and icons within the device. I'm going to go ahead and keep that at United Kingdom English. Also on the front page is a link to some accessibility options. These are for the visually impaired or hard of hearing, and provide options such as when to change the screen timeout, whether to use voice recognition, whether to speak the passwords to the user, and other services such as font size, colouring, adjustments, magnifications, text-to-speech, enhancing website accessibility, managing sound, and other assistance. After you've selected your system language and any accessibility options, you can press Next on the bottom of the screen. Here, the device is telling me that there is no SIM card in my device. If I had a SIM card installed, this page would not be displayed. Next, the Samsung Galaxy S4 Mini will search the local surroundings for a Wi-Fi network. If any of the Wi-Fi networks available are yours and you are able to connect to them, select one. You will then be prompted, if required, to enter the password. For the purposes of this video, we will not connect to a Wi-Fi network. Next is to set the date and time. Unticking this box will allow you to manually set the date and time from the options below, using the push button icons on the screen. Once you have the date and time selected, rechecking the box will automatically configure and update the date and time accordingly based on your network provider's details. At the bottom of the screen, you can also change the time zone. Next, we have an end user license agreement. You must check the tick box and agree to the end user license agreement before you can use the device. The bottom box is to provide Samsung with data on your use of the device based on any crashes or failures of the device and anything else that Samsung may find useful about your experience. This is an opt-out. If you do not wish to provide Samsung with this data, press the No Thanks. If you do wish to provide them, leave the box checked as yes. A Samsung account is required to use many Samsung services. If you do not have a Samsung account, you can create a new one here. If you will need to have a connection to the internet to create a Samsung account. If you already have a Samsung account, press the sign in option to enter your username and password. I shall skip this section for now. Similarly to the Samsung account, you may have or require a Google account. A Google account is required for using Google Play to download applications and for other Google services. For the time being, I will press No on this video demonstration. If you press No, you are prompted by Google to make an account. A Google account is generally essential for most users on an Android device. Next, Google may require your location for certain services, such as mapping and global positioning. These two checkboxes see if you wish to use Wi-Fi and mobile networks to determine your location. You can opt out. And also, if you want Google applications to access your location, Once again, applications such as Maps may require your location to provide you with accurate global positioning. Again, you can opt out by ticking the checkbox. You can also change these options from within the settings after you have set up the device. The next page allows you to slightly personalise your phone by including your name. This may be displayed on the home screen, lock screen, or used in certain applications. Samsung include Dropbox with their devices, and you are able to use a 50 GB account for 2 years. This is a feature that Samsung sell with their devices. If you have a Dropbox account, you can sign in with your username and password. If you would like to create an account or use a new account for this device, you can click here. If you skip this, you can always use the Dropbox application loaded on the device to return to this screen. There are also some Samsung specific features on the Galaxy S4 Mini which you will not find from devices with other manufacturers. These include S-Beam, voice control, smart stay, easy mode, and adapt display. You can use this screen to turn these features off and on from your initial setup. Finally, the device name can be changed. By default, the model number GT-i9195 is used. Again, you can personalise your device by changing this. This name will be displayed when connecting to devices via Bluetooth, NFC, or other connection methods, and may aid in discovery if there are other people with the same device in the local vicinity. Once finished, you will be directed to the home screen. Thanks for watching.